Today, I'm here at Yieje Conrad High School with Chef Harris and her students, and they're going to make folded kimbap for us. Hello, Chef Harris.
Hello.
Okay, can you give us a little background information on folded kimbap?
Sure. So one theory possessed that folded kimbap was born out of the Japanese occupation of Korea during the first half of the 20th century, when Koreans adopted the Japanese roll and made it their own. For example, Koreans like to use sesame oil, where Japanese would like to use the rice vinegar.
Wow, that's awesome. Well, are you ready to make this awesome dish?
We are ready.
Okay, let's go.
We have prepared the rice already. It's sitting to the side here. And what we put in the rice was a teaspoon of sesame oil, teaspoon of salt, and a teaspoon of sesame seed, mixed well together. We have stir-fried Napa cabbage. We cut the cabbage, then we're going to give it a good rinse, cold water. Then we add all the ingredients, spices into our skillet. Teaspoon of sugar, give it that sweetness there. Teaspoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. Then we take it to the stove. Then we add the Napa cabbage on top of the ingredients. We're going to saute that for about 8 to 10 minutes. So next is the Spam. We have 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, and we're going to pour on top of the Spam in the skillet, and we're going to take it to the stove, and we're going to get it golden brown for about 6 to 8 minutes, and then we will remove from the stove. Next is assembling the dish. Start by cutting the seaweed halfway up. Then you want to place your cheese on one side, lettuce, rice, your Napa cabbage sauteed, and your Spam. And then we're going to fold it, and then we're going to place it in a deli paper, and then we're going to cut it in half. Enjoy.
Ta-da! This looks delicious. Chef Harris, how do you say this dish again?
Folded kimbap.
Folded kimbap. All right, well, let's go ahead and taste this delicious dish. I love that Spam.
That seaweed is crunchy. Mm-hmm. Oh my God.
And the lettuce.
The sauteed Napa cabbage. That's pretty good.
Absolutely.
Cheese with the saltiness.
This is delicious. Thank you, Chef Harris. And thank you, Yieje Conrad High School, for this delicious dish and taking us to Korea with folded kimbap.
Our pleasure.